Good day. Welcome to the PSG Wealth Local Solutions Feedback. This is for the month of July. We'll start off by looking at how the markets performed over the month. What is quite notable on the top table is that the Aussie CAPSIX returned a positive return with the CAPSIX at 4.13%. That was largely led by resources, returning a 7.94%, followed by resources which bounced from a negative return of the previous month. Nevertheless, over the 3, 6, as well as year-to-date return, we do see quite a challenging period for resources. Whilst international markets, longer duration, had a better fare for the month, returning at 2.54%, whilst the duration of 1 to 3 years had the less performance, and the overall ILBs had a 1.44 return for the month. International market in rand terms reported a negative return, with Nikkei providing a negative 4.28%, whilst looking at the S&P detracting 2.84% at the back of the strengthening of the rand. And how has that translated into our solutions? What you would then notice is that PSG Wealth Enhanced Interest Fund of Fund has been consistently within the first quartile over all investment periods. And looking at the black square, that would be the minimum investment period of each of the solutions. It's ranked first. Enhanced Interest ranked in the first quartile. Preserver as well as Creator also ranked in the first quartile over the minimum recommended investment periods, with Moderate being the exception and the second quartile there, further showing an average or a good return. What is quite notable is that over 1, 3, and 6 months, our solutions facing some volatility. Nevertheless, consistency is seen over longer investment periods. Whilst 3 out of 5 of our solutions since the inception are ranked in the first quartile. And just looking at what each of our solutions, particularly the multi-asset as well as the equity fund, how those have fared, and amongst the underlying, what was a top performer and what was a bottom performer. We see Coronation being a top performer, PSG Diversified Income being a bottom performer amongst the underlying, and now just showing a return over the minimum investment period. That would be the fourth column, giving a 7.17%. Whilst Preserver have PSG stable outperforming, with 91 cautious underperforming compared to the underlyings of the solution, but over the 3-year recommended investment period providing a 9.86% annualized, whilst Moderate providing an 8.82% over the 5-year recommended minimum investment period, and the Creator coming in at 9.92%.